tricky when you don't have enough inventory on hand to fulfill all of your open sales orders. QuickBooks Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet is a planning tool that gives you access to the critical information you need when determining which orders to fulfill first. The Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet also helps you track partially fulfilled orders if your customer wants you to break the order up and send what you have in stock right now. It even helps you create what-if scenarios that give you a clear view of how entirely or partially fulfilling a particular order affects your ability to fulfill others. Finally, the Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet helps you launch your different fulfillment processes. This tutorial demonstrates the primary features of the Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet. To access the Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet, go to the Customer menu and select Fulfill Sales Orders. The worksheet has two tables to assist you in your planning. The top table gives you a comprehensive view of all your open sales orders. The bottom table gives you a more granular view of the sales order that is currently highlighted in the top table. By default, the top table sorts the orders by when they were entered, but you can change the sorting order by using the Sort menu near the top right corner of the table. Icons in the Fulfillable column provide you with your first indication of which orders are ready to fulfill. The solid green circle means you have enough inventory to fulfill the entire order. The half-full orange circle means you can fulfill only part of the order. The empty green circle with a red X means you're out of stock on the referenced order or item. Note that the Fulfillable column exists in both tables, showing you your ability to fulfill at both an order and an item level. To help you determine which orders to fulfill first, the top table in the worksheet shows you the customer name, the day the order was created, the day the customer was promised delivery, and the total or open amount of revenue that will be realized from the order. Highlight or scroll through the orders in the top table, and the bottom table will provide you a detailed view of the order. Here you can find item names and descriptions, quantities ordered, the total amount of available or unallocated inventory for each item, and the per unit cost of an item. The worksheet has already identified the orders that could be fulfilled right now. These are indicated by a solid green circle in the Fulfillable column. If you'd like QuickBooks to further assist you in determining which orders to fulfill, click the Choose For Me button, where you'll find several different selection options. When you check an order in the top window, QuickBooks will show you how fulfilling it will affect other orders. For example, if you select Order 145, QuickBooks will show the impact that fulfilling this order will have on other orders. Note how Order 148 changes as we select and deselect Order 145. Once you've selected an order, you can take your analysis one step further by changing quantities in the To Fulfill Quantity column in the bottom table. Once you've checked your orders to fulfill, you can batch print pick lists and packing slips for the orders by using the Print button at the bottom of the worksheet. You can also print the checked sales orders. You can then enter invoices manually, or you can double-click on an order in the worksheet to open the actual sales order, from which you can then create an invoice. If you choose to partially fulfill an order, just shipping what you have right now, the Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet helps you track the process to ensure that the entire order gets fulfilled in a timely manner. The worksheet starts by helping you see the revenue that you'll realize by partially fulfilling an order. This number is contained in the To Fulfill Amount columns of the top and bottom tables. You can contrast this number with the open order amount to help you calculate the value of partially fulfilling the order. To illustrate partial order fulfillment, take a look at the selected order, number 145 for Thompson Lighting Stores. As you can see in the bottom table, you have enough inventory to fulfill every part of this order except for the bath and vanity fixtures. The customer wants 20, but you only have 11 available or unallocated. If the client wants the 11 you have on hand and is willing to wait for the other 9, just double-click the sales order and create the invoice. Make sure to select the Create Invoice for Selected Items option when creating the invoice. Doing so will ensure that the invoice will automatically allocate only the amount you have in stock. Once the invoice has been saved, the worksheet will update the order to show only the outstanding balance that remains to be fulfilled. See how the bottom table now only shows the items that remain to be fulfilled? It will also put a yes in the partially invoiced column, helping you easily identify partially fulfilled orders. Select the Help button to learn more about QuickBooks Sales Order Fulfillment Worksheet and how it can be used.